we'll take example of some export options. But now that the forward premium has come down to around 2.5% or so, between 2.5% to 3%, I would say even the exporters will feel the need to do the options. The reason being, now the volatility is higher than the forward premium. The movements could be higher than the forward premium. So there is a need to use options. And which options can an exporter use? Let's talk about 6 months exports, okay? Or let's say, take an example that an exporter hedges 6 months or one year on a regular basis. But let me take a 6 months example. So let's take again same example. 81.75 is the spot, and we have a 6 months of exports. So what choices do you have? We generate some choices. First of all, the forward premium for 6 months is only 1 rupee. So you get a rate of 82.77, right? That's the forward rate, 82.77. And you are worried at the end of 6 months, dollar rupee could be at 84 or 85, and you'll be stuck at 82.77. So is there a way to solve this problem? Okay, there are a couple of ways. So one is a put option at 81.75. Another is a put option at 22.77. And third one, we'll make it a put spread of buy put at 82.5 and sell put at 80. Sell put at 80. And then we have range forward, where buy put levels are like 82, 81 or 80, and sell call level is, I'll explain the same. This is, let's say, 84, 84 and 85. Okay, get cost. Okay, so we'll take a scenario analysis for 6 months, 78 on one side and 85 half on the other side. Okay, so the first choice you have is a forward. You can, as an exporter, you can book a forward, and your rate will be 82.77. This is nice. Let me start the range from 79 till 86 half. The forward starts from 82.77. Sorry, at all levels you will be selling at 82.77. So this will work as a very good product if rupee goes to 79, 80 half, 82, etc. But if it goes to 86 half, this is a bad product, right? Because you are stuck at 82.77, you will have mark to market loss. If you buy a plain insurance put option at 81.75 today's spot, you are protected at 81.75. You have to pay 92 paisa right away, upfront 92 paisa, but your worst rate now becomes 81.75 minus 92, which is 80.79. So this is your effective rate. 80.79 is your worst rate. Even if rupee goes 79, 78, wherever it goes, this is the lowest rate which you'll be getting, 80.79, not below that. So this is kind of an insurance. If instead of 81.75, you buy the option at 82.77, that is a forward level, your cost is 1.38. So then you are protected at the forward level. The cost is quite high, obviously 138, because in both this 1 and 2 options, if rupee goes to 86 half, you sell at 86 half, and your only loss is the premium loss, is 92 or 138. Okay, and if you take a See, another product which you can take, you said, okay, rupee may appreciate, it may go to 81, 82, 81 half, 80 half. It may not appreciate to 88, but I don't think it will sustain below 80. So let me take a put spread from 82.77 to till 80. So that will reduce your cost by 38 paisa only. 138 minus 1.01. So this is, you don't get much by selling a put option at 80. So this doesn't make sense at all. I mean, selling a put at 80 for a paltry benefit doesn't make sense. So then there are some products like range forwards, which are very good. So first range forward is, you say, okay, let me protect 82. And on the upper side, I want to get benefit till 84. 82 is protected. If rupee goes to 81, 80, wherever it goes, 82 is protected. Upper side benefit till 84. For 6 months, cost is only 12 paisa. And you get an insurance at 82. 84 is benefit till 84. In between, you're open to the market. Even better, this one. If your view is no, it will go to 85, 86. You get benefit till 85. But in case your view is wrong, rupee goes to 78, you get 81. 81 is frozen. 81 is assured. This is a zero cost structure, 1 paisa cost, which can be just tweaked a little bit and you get zero cost. So 81, as an exporter, you'll be able to sell and you can get benefit till 85. Similarly, you can decide for a device another structure at 80 and 86. Your 80 level is protected. You can get benefit up to 86 for 6 months and your cost is zero. So worst case, no one can, you will not get below 80. These products are very useful for you protecting your budget. Like you're budgeting for the next year. You can say, okay, 80 will be my floor and maximum I can get till 87. Zero cost. You put a band around your, next year's receivables.